Yeah. Hood Chronicles. Part two with the crew. But I can't stay out all day to just do the whole thing. Can't do the whole Hood Chronicles. Just a little something. Well, I still got my headphones though. My Hood Chronicles is gonna be short. I can't really go in. Who's who? Oh. She always representing. Lishma be just putting me on Instagram and Facebook without me having to know. And then be outside looking crazy.
No, you don't look crazy.
This is the shit that she do. She just put me on Instagrams and I don't want to be on there. She out here, Hood Rat Chronicles. Look at her. She can't even keep... Look at her and Kimmy. Just out here.
Look what she just finished busting down. I said, I'm going to leave the bag out here. She scraped that shit. She scraped
and she wiped on her face. Look at that. She can't even keep her eyes open. You disrespectful. I don't want Lishma to record me anymore because she don't have no respect for me. Stop recording me. I don't want you. Nope. I don't like when she records. Look, sister love. Talk your shit, ma.
Like you heard. Check this out.
I gotta show Zing this. She gonna be like, why you got my mom and my auntie on there?
She gonna go in the 14th dynasty. You heard? Look.
Mama shouting you out, Zing.
I shine you out. I'm talking about your history when I named you.
Go ahead. What you named her? Say it again.
Jamila Nzinga Onike. Jamila.
What does Onike mean? I love that.
Onike is the African name for my mother's friend.
Lishma, your name is similar.
Beautiful joy. That means joy on the Angola.
Oh, you got this dude up in there. Lishma is bent.
That name has a big history.
This nigga is back and he better. He back. He got his health stuff. He got
back from where?
He went on vacation. That nigga went to Tijuana. He back from Tijuana.
Or Africa. Which one is it? Get your story straight before you start posting.
No, he went to Tijuana. I don't know what the fuck she talking about. She drunk.
Africa, how are
See, this is summer. Check this nigga out. It ain't even summer. Fuck he going.
You walk into a beat or something? That beat
that nigga walking to the tent.
No, it's worth it.
Kimmy calls my tutorials doctorials. She's like, I love your doctorials. Tell me where you get that shirt from.
I'm gonna say it.
Nigga didn't even know she had shirt. Chronicles Day 2. This bitch stay featuring in my shit. I really don't want her in my shit all the time because she just be randomly recording bitches. So we're gonna be recording. Yo, it's a little brick. I wish it was like this all summer because I'm trying like during the day it'd be warm and at night it'd be, we waiting for Kimmy and a few other folks so I can roast their ass and put it on camera. So stay tuned. Look, you do not wave. Do not wave.
Why? It's supposed to be niggerish?
He said it, I did. Hood Chronicles, niggas from the hood. Look at what he's doing. And they fake my neighbor fixing the car. Hold up, peep game. This nigga fucking up somebody's car, about to charge them over the price. He been working on this car for hours.
That's what those old niggas do?
Where he at? You can't even see that nigga. He going mad hard. He is really serious. He dead ass serious. He been doing this shit since this morning, like 8 o'clock this morning.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Come get your shit done. Let a nigga know. Let a nigga know when you want to fix your car. Come see me. He gives me 10%. You got your homeboy helping you who don't even fucking fix cars now. We need to look into this. Check him out. Look what the fuck he doing.
Yep.
What he fixing?
I ain't fixing shit.
Look, he got the Now he got the flashlight. He going hard. It's serious. It's serious. That nigga got skills, but his friend.
That's what we used to do as old.
She don't know that's Lishma over here. She don't know. She be like, I was looking for you. Look, she ain't know Lishma was over here with the bundles. Where you going? Kimmy.
Where you late?
No. Nah, she ain't know Lishma was over here. Kimmy didn't know Lishma was over here.
Come to your backyard and you late.
You ain't know Lishma was over here. My best friend, my bestie, my best friend. Ow! My best friend said, my best friend said. Go ahead. That nigga just came from work. He lying, y'all. He ain't about that shit no about in rap songs as being a gangster nigga. Now he just an MTA worker. That's what you call changed his life. He changed his life.
I want to talk about loyalty. I fucked somebody's mother and the daughter. I'm going to keep it 100. Yeah, it's true. On more than one occasion. Not that same person, but other people. All right, now to the young guys that I play ball with, if you see me coming out your crib, family though. I have one family. All right? So I'm not your step pop. I'm not the cool uncle that your mother say I am. My new name is #the help. This is why I'm the help. Ladies, if you in a relationship and it's not working out, come to me for the help. Fellas, if you guys are in a relationship with your lady and y'all going through it, y'all bumping heads, have her call me. I'm here to help. I'm gonna fuck her the way she needs to get fucked. I'm gonna make love to her when she needs it, not when she wants it, when she needs it. That's the problem with y'all. Y'all just wanna go on in and just be fucking. Not me. Nope. No sirree. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna give your lady foreplay. Yes, I am.
This is when a hood nigga matches his motherfucking car. This is when you know you motherfucking bougie as hell. Where they do that at? Representing Payne and Co. This nigga bougie. Rosa, look at this. The dog do not like Lishma for nothing. Because Lishma stay picking on her. Keeping it moving, yo. Lishma, the dog don't like you. Yo! All the way back there. He called me all the way over here and he know my back hurt to make fucking bird shit on me.
Make sure you tell him I look like I chew on trees.
I ain't gonna say all that. But fuck that nigga. Fuck that nigga. Fuck that nigga right there. Fuck that nigga right there. He fucked my whole shit up. I had bird shit. I had to make him come clean it off. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. And this ain't no cheap ass shirt now.
But I cleaned it off her collar. And she...
I'm gonna have to get it. This shit is in my hair. Listen, my good up hair expensive.
It ain't in your hair. Stop bullshit.
Shit.
It ain't in your hair, Rainbow Bright.
Did this motherfucker just call me Rainbow Bright?
Right,
yo, this nigga right here and Lishma, she always recording people and I'm gonna put her on there mad fucking times because this bitch. Look at this bitch. This is what people do now. You can't even hang out with them.
Rainbow Bright. Woo!